It literally tastes like that. So here's how to make your Instagram pink drink. You know, upload it, show your friends. First, you're gonna need some water, some freeze-dried strawberries, and then these little packs here. Pause. I got this from Kroger, but if you're not in the South, you can use like the Crystal Light individual things. Just look for a strawberry flavor. Or I heard the pink cranberry ocean spray drink works just as well, but this is what I went and got. To that, I'm also gonna add some unsweetened coconut milk, and that's all you need. Y'all just gotta follow directions on the packet. Pour that into some water. Y'all know we used to have these like in middle school. This used to spice your lunch up, but just mix that up. Then take half of that amount and put it into your, is this called a shaker? I don't know, the things that bartenders be using. I feel like it is called a shaker. Obviously, I also don't know what half is because I kept pouring. Then you're gonna add an equal amount of coconut milk into that same shaker. This is where you can kind of change it depending on if you want more of a strawberry, more of a coconutty flavor. I added in just a handful of dried strawberries. Then I went ahead and added the ice inside. Okay, I've done this both ways at this point. You don't necessarily need ice at this point, but it'll help you agitate, you know, mix the stuff up real good. Then you're gonna shake it. Shake it like the bartenders be doing. Look, I started spilling it. Is this what you do? And then I didn't realize that you could pour through the holes that's on top of the lid. So I was just trying to like, look at me. Oh Lord, look at me. Now you got it all poured up, looking cute. It's time to drink it, or just take a picture. It's your personal business. Woo. So when I was a young warthog, I used to actually work at Starbucks, and my supervisor used to make us this version of the coffee frappuccino. So I just took some cooled down coffee that I had and added some non-dairy heavy whipping cream. And to that, I added some vanilla and some plain white sugar. We used to use like that brown rocky sugar in the store, but I ain't got that, so I did this. Then I went ahead and added some ice to it, and you can adjust all these measurements depending on whether you want it more like frosty-like or more creamy. But that's pretty much what I got. It didn't taste exactly the same, but it was still pretty dang good. It literally tastes like that. Okay, this is going low-key taste better than what they give you in store, okay? First, you're gonna need a teaspoon of matcha. You can buy matcha at your local grocery store in the tea section or order it on Amazon. It is expensive, okay? I'll be using this sparingly. Then you're gonna get some hot but not boiling water, and you're gonna take your bamboo whisk and mix that together. This is really to ensure that you get that foam, but also that it's mixed up. I can't stand when I get this drink from Starbucks and it be having like green tea chunks in it.
I don't like that.
Then I take some ice and I put about a tablespoon of agave in there. You can use any sweetener that you want. I used a coconut almond milk hybrid this day, but this tastes so good with oat milk, y'all. It tastes good with any milk because we're professional like that, okay? Then I mix that up first just so that my sweetener is not all on the bottom. And you just pour your green tea right on. Look at that. Look how pretty that looks. I love it. Then I went ahead and mixed that all together. You don't have to mix it. Again, do what you do, boo. Do what you do. Now you can stop right here, but today I decided to be extra. I whipped some of that heavy whipping cream up by hand. First adding vanilla and sugar to it because like I said, it's a little tart. But I went ahead and added that whipped cream on top. Then I took it a step further and I put on top some date caramel that I made. You can use normal caramel. You don't even have to do y'all say caramel or caramel? Whatever, don't talk about me. You can just use normal caramel. You don't have to do all this like me. But this was so good, y'all. So good. Anyways, take care. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.